Life is a beautiful gift that God given to us. Having a life means you have a chance to achieve what you want and enjoy things. Hi, I'm Merlvan Salolistan, and here's my self-introduction video. To start with, my name, people often call me Bang Bang or Merlin, or just anything that someone prefers to call me. I am 19 years of age and still in the process of achieving things in life. I was born and raised in Hillside, Montnivo, Valencia City, Bukidnon, with my supportive parents, and currently staying at Central Mindanao University, Muswan, Maramal, Bukidnon. In terms of interest, I love mountains, dogs, and my favorite color is sky blue. I love watching anime, and I was extremely in love with Gojo Satoru of Jujutsu Kaisen. My passion revolves around singing, dancing, acting, and reading books. I am now third-year college student of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Filipino in Central Mindanao University. I have a vision that I will become a secondary teacher who can help each students to achieve their highest potential. In deciding to become a teacher, you must ask yourself a critical question. What is your personal philosophy about your role as a teacher in the educational system, or in other words, what is your philosophy? For me, I believe that children are unique and have something special that they can bring to their own education. So, as their future teacher, I will assist my students to express themselves and accept themselves for who they are, as well as embrace the difference of others. Again, I am Merlvan Salolistan, and that is my dreams.